In this video, I'm going to show you how to start trading on FxPro. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to fxpro.com, and then here on their official website, you want to click on the register button top right. Here, you're then going to have to put in your country of residence, your email you want to use, and then your password you want to use to create your FxPro account. After you put on all this in here, click on register with FxPro, and your account is going to be created, which will give you access to FxPro Direct over here, which is basically your dashboard. Now, to start trading on your dashboard, of course, first you have to activate your profile to be able to go ahead and deposit onto your account. And then whenever you do that, you'll be able to go to your trading accounts down here, and then you'll be able to create either real accounts or demo accounts by clicking this plus create account. And then you'll be able to, of course, select whichever account you want, select which platform you want it on, like MT5, MT4, or CTrader, and then you'll be able to just continue and then select your currency, your leverage, and then also the execution method, okay? Now, whenever you have your account created and your account registered as well, then you can go ahead and start trading by clicking on trade button next to your account. And then you can select how you want to trade. So if you chose, like, for example, MT4 or MT5, you can then just download it to your computer over here via clicking this download options button, or you can use their FxPro web terminal, which can basically allow you to just trade right away inside your browser. So just click on the FxPro web terminal, which of course is the quickest to set up if you are new to this. And to actually start trading inside the FxPro Edge terminal, for which I'm going to select one of my demo accounts. There we go. Then you have a few options to start trading. You could go ahead and click on the plus icon over here and click on the order entry, which is going to pop up this window here, where you can then, of course, select the instrument you'd like to trade. And then, for example, I'm going to do Euro USD. You can just go ahead, select a market, limit, or stop order, and then you can go and either buy or sell up here, select the volume, put in your stop losses, take profits, stuff like that, and you can then just go ahead and buy or sell and start trading that way. Of course, you could also put it on the favorites tab and then quickly just buy or sell over here on the right hand side. You can do that too, okay? Or you could go in your chart here, and then on the chart, you could also click on this buy or sell button, or just click on this order entry, which will create a new order, and you can start trading in here in case you are, for example, like in full screen over here using your charts, okay? So that's how to actually start trading on FxPro. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.